So I guess the story is, from people who live in here, we're stuck. There's a couple ways out of this neighborhood, but both ways are flooded. So we're gonna have to wait here for a little bit. It's kind of crazy, but as you can see, there's some stalled cars out there. Some people are attempting it.
Why is that car attempting to go through there?
I don't know, it's pretty deep. Look at that car there. I don't think if you have a truck. If you have a truck, you can make it through, but that little black car is probably going to stall out here. That's just crazy. Look at that black car over there. I don't think it's going to make it. His floorboard, it must be all wet. That's crazy.
Like your whole thing.